Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can use MS Word and how you can use their tools, functions, ribbons, steps and all things. We are going to discuss about the main options which are in MS Word and which are going to be very useful for you guys. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, simply you have to write the WinWord here. You have to write the WinWord. MS Word means WinWord. This is the nickname of MS Word. After writing the WinWord, you have to click on, you will see the interface like this. This is the 2021 version of MS Word. Now you have to click on the blank document. After clicking on the blank document, in this class we are going to discuss about the basics of MS Word. For example, I am going to write a sentence as smart. After writing the smart and I am selected this, let's zoom it. You can zoom the page from here, zoom in and zoom out. You can do that. After that, you can see the pages, how many pages you have. For example, I'm going to create some new pages. As you can see, we have 6 pages and I am on the page number 6. So if you want to go on the page number 1, now you will see that we have 6 pages and we are on the page number 1. And how many words we have? We have one word. If I'm going to write some other words like smart is best academy, now as you can see we have 5 words. So this is the basic. Here you will see how many words in your documents are and how many pages in your documents are, and from here you can zoom in, zoom out your document, and this is called tabs or menu bar. You can say that home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design tab, these all are the tabs, and these are the ribbons: font ribbon, paragraph ribbon, style ribbon, editing ribbon, adds in clipboard. These all are the ribbons. You can call them ribbons, and these are known as options like bullet option, like numbering option, like indent, increase indent. These all are the options. And from here, this is known as quick access toolbar, and these are the close button or caption buttons you can call. Like if you want to close it, you can close it, maximize, minimize, and this is the sign in option. If you are using a paid version of MS Word, you can also use that. This is the document name. If you want to search any option or anything, you can search. It's up to you. So this is the basic thing, that what are the functions of the basic options. Like these are the tabs, as I told you, file. Here from you are going to see some options. We will discuss about them as well. Now here you can see that the recent option. In the recent, these are those files which are on which you have recently worked, on which have you have recently worked or you have opened. These are the recent files. If you want templates, you can see you can use the templates from here. These all are the templates. If you want more templates, you have to click on the more templates. You will get the ready-made template. Like if you want a CV, if you want a certificate, anything, these all things will be, you will get from here ready-made. So in this class we have discussed about the basics of MS Word.